Every creation begins with a spark, the will to build something stronger, smarter, and lasting. Introducing Team Bridge, a new name born from innovation, engineered for the future of plywood manufacturing. From the first touch of timber to the final polished sheet, every stage defines precision. The Debarker, for the perfect texture. Advanced peeling for seamless veneer. Glue mixing and spreading for flawless bonding. DD saw for accuracy in every edge. Sanding for the smoothest finish. Calibration machine for precision alignment of veneer thickness. Printing machine for smooth, decorative grain printing across sheets. Grinder, two sharp peeling blades with sparks and precision. Dipping machine, support in protective chemical coating process. Every Team Bridge machine carries advanced engineering built for speed, strength, and stability to make your production faster, smoother, and more efficient than ever. Behind every powerful machine stands a powerful team. With expert service engineers and ready spare parts, Team Bridge ensures your line never stops moving. Now in Kerala, Team Bridge is here to empower industries. Connect innovation with craftsmanship and build the future of plywood manufacturing. Team Bridge, bridging innovation, building trust. Together, we build the future of plywood.